Good afternoon. Robin Cooper here. Today, the song is called Not Worth the Doubt, and Grandpa Henry's going to sing. And it's kind of a little jaunty tune, maybe falls under country, I'm not quite sure. Just kind of fun and jaunty, and hopefully enjoy it. The scene is like by a pond, and Grandpa Henry's just kind of singing and talking about his age and so forth, and hopefully enjoy that as well. I want to invite you to the channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power, and please subscribe. And of course, I want to thank you as always. I want to thank you for your time, for your views, your support, and enthusiasm. Really do appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed today's little song. And we got Grandpa Henry, like I said, and we haven't had him in a while, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. I can't believe how many years have gone by. It seems like yesterday I was young and spry. Yesterday's memories floating about. Did I make the most of my life? And it's not worth the doubt. Second guessing, not what I do. If I'm not happy with something, I try to say, what else then, what else then can I do? I can't believe how many years have gone by. It seems like yesterday I was young and spry. Yesterday's memories floating about. Did I make the most of my life? Not worth the doubt. Not worth the doubt. I may have been foolish at times. I may sometimes be wise. But in the course of things I would have had a good life. Maybe there's a few things I might have done differently. 2020 isn't always seen. I can't believe how many years have gone by. It seems like yesterday I was young and strong. Yesterday's memories floating about. Did I make the most of my life? Did I make the most of my life? And not worth the doubt. Not worth the doubt. I can't believe how many years have gone by. It seems like yesterday I was young and spry. I can't believe how many years have gone by. It seems like yesterday I was young and spry. Yesterday's memories floating about. Did I make the most of my life? And not worth the doubt. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Thank you. It's not as